Welcome to this video presentation on the mini project of the Group 4, confirmed by Manuel Fajardo, Daniel Fula, and Laura Garzon. In this project, we aim to replicate a case study presented in a scientific paper, which utilized a network science approach to investigate the flavor network of culinary ingredients. Our goal is to gain a better understanding of food pairing principles through the use of data-driven network analysis methods. Our first step in achieving this goal is to reproduce the graphs presented in the original paper and comprehend the network science method used by the authors. The study introduced a flavor network, which captures the flavor compounds shared by culinary ingredients in order to test the food pairing hypothesis. However, due to the lack of systematic data, we will focus solely on exploring the relationship between ingredients and their flavor components while acknowledging the limitations of the available data. Also, we will discard almost all the statistical analysis and focus on the network science methods. Our case study is the paper titled Flavor Network and the Principles of Food Pairing by Yong-Yeol Ahn, Sebastian Ahnert, James Bagrow, and Albert-László Barabási. The researchers investigated the shared flavor compounds between ingredients in various cuisines worldwide, aiming to identify general patterns that determined ingredient combinations used in modern cuisines and gain a better understanding of food pairing principles. In this mini-project, we used 4 datasets to construct a flavor network and analyze the relationship between ingredients and chemical compounds. The first dataset is a CSV file called recipes.csv, which contains 56,498 recipes ordered by regions, along with their ingredients. There are 10 culinary regions, and recipes can have anywhere from 2 to 25 ingredients. The second dataset, compounds.tsv, contains the IDs, compound names, and CAS numbers of 1,100 and 700 chemical compounds found in ingredients. The third dataset, ingredients.tsv, contains 1,580 records of ingredients, including the ID, ingredient name, and category. Finally, the ingredient compound TSV dataset comprises 36,781 records and links ingredients to chemical compounds via their respective IDs. To support the food pairing hypothesis, we built a bipartite network consisting of ingredients and chemical compounds. We can easily construct this network using the ingredient compound.tsv dataset. Now, we introduce the concept of a flavor network, which is a network built upon the bipartite graph of ingredients where 2 ingredients are connected if they share at least one flavor compound. The resulting network is weighted, with the weight of each link representing the number of shared flavor compounds. This network is too big to be represented correctly in any software, so we used a backbone extraction method to get its more important nodes and edges. To visualize the backbone of the flavor network, we need to follow a few steps. First, we obtain the full flavor network data frame. Next, we process the recipes and extract all the ingredients contained in them. Then, we filter the full flavor network data frame with the ingredients from the recipes to obtain a filtered data frame. We use this filtered data frame to build a network X graph and extract the backbone of the graph, which we visualize using a software like Gephi. Additionally to this method used along the results in the paper, we also perform another interesting analysis of the network. For example, we perform the shortest path between 2 ingredients and visualize the relationships between the ingredients in the shortest path. This information can be useful in determining which ingredients are most commonly paired together and which pairings are unexpected or uncommon. We also used methods to calculate centrality measures, detect communities, and visualize the results to gain insight into the network structure of the flavor network and identify patterns that could support the food pairing hypothesis. Based on our analysis of the flavor network and recipes, we have come to some interesting conclusions. Firstly, we found that the flavor network is highly modular, indicating that certain groups of ingredients are more commonly paired with each other than with ingredients outside the group. This suggests that there are distinct flavor profiles or families in the culinary world, and that recipes tend to follow these established flavor combinations. We also identified that some ingredients are highly connected within the flavor network, acting as a bridge ingredients that connect different flavor families and enable a wide range of flavor pairings. These highly connected ingredients play a critical role in recipe development and could help explain why certain ingredients are used in so many different dishes. Overall, our analysis demonstrates how network analysis techniques can be applied to the study of culinary recipes and ingredients to better understand the principles of food pairing. Thank you.